in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable the energy saver mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, scroll down and select Power. And there should be an item underneath Energy Saver. Go ahead and click on that to expand that selection, and then toggle that to the off position to always use Energy Saver. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.